In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a newsletter in Mailchimp. Whether you're reaching out to your customers or keeping in touch with your subscribers, crafting an effective newsletter is essential. Let's walk through the process so you'll be ready to share your message with confidence. First things first, you'll need to log into your Mailchimp account. Once you've accessed your dashboard, you'll see all the tools and options you have at your fingertips. Next, it's time to create a new campaign. Up at the top left corner of the screen is a Create button. Give that a click and then select Regular Email. This will serve as the foundation for your new newsletter campaign. Now let's move on to naming your campaign. It's important to give your newsletter an internal name, something clear and specific to help you stay organized as your number of campaigns grows. Keep it simple but descriptive enough to ensure you can easily find it later. With your campaign named, it's time to add recipients. After all, your newsletter isn't very useful if no one receives it. Head over to the Recipients section, which allows you to select an existing contact list or import new contacts. Think carefully about your audience to ensure that your message reaches the right people. Next up, we need to set the sender information. Click on Edit From and choose the email address and name you want your recipients to see. This step is crucial as it helps establish trust with your audience, ensuring they recognize the sender and are more likely to open the email. With that in place, let's turn our attention to writing your subject line and preview text. The subject line is what draws your audience in, so make it catchy and attention-grabbing. The preview text appears next to the subject line in many email clients, providing an opportunity to further entice readers. Now it's time to bring your newsletter to life by choosing a template. Click on Edit Design to browse through various layouts. You have the choice to start from scratch or pick one of Mailchimp's pre-designed templates, which can be an effective time saver. Once you've chosen a template, you can dive into customizing your content. Mailchimp's drag and drop interface makes it easy to add text, images, buttons, and more. This is your chance to tailor fonts, colors, and images to align perfectly with your brand's aesthetic. Before you send, it's wise to preview and test your newsletter. Make use of the preview option and send a test email to yourself. This step can help you verify that everything looks just right and that the content is engaging and visually appealing. Finally, it's decision time, whether to schedule or send your newsletter. You can send it immediately or choose a specific date and time for sending it later, whichever suits your strategy best. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.